a tiny K-pop tribute, and a full-color cherry blossom branch. Let's get into it. First up is this miniature astronaut and whale inspired by EXO's Sing For You art. On the album cover, he's actually microscopic. I decided to upsize him to 3/4 of an inch to future-proof the design. Want those tiny details to stay readable for years as the art ages. When we moved into my wheelhouse, fine line florals, I used a 3-round liner for all the line work to keep it dainty. I tend to do a lot of black and gray floral, so it was a fun treat to do some color. I'm always down for some color. My phone actually died mid-line work, so the footage cuts out early, but I still want to share some color theory with you. When it comes to pink tattoos, light pink is often the closest pigment to our natural skin tones. Because of that, it tends to be the first color to drop out or soften, especially with consistent UV exposure. Over time, the pigment can actually start to blend in with our natural warm undertones. This is why some pink tattoos look like they've disappeared only a year or two after they've healed. That's why choosing a darker, more saturated pink is the best way to future-proof this piece. We want the color to settle into the shade we actually want, rather than fading away entirely. This principle holds true for every skin shade, because we all have that natural warmth in our skin. If you enjoy these kinds of technical deep dives, I'd be honored if you subscribe to my channel. Here is the finished astronaut and whale. I'm obsessed with how cute this turned out, and here are the final blossoms. With fading in mind, I chose magenta and a mid-tone pink to ensure this heals into a beautiful, lasting floral. Thank you for watching.